How to lock Outlook mobile app with Fingerprint. For that, you need to install the app and open the Outlook application on your mobile device. Once you're on the Microsoft Outlook, just tap on Google at the top left corner of the screen. Here, tap on gear icon at the bottom left corner of the screen. On the settings page, you need to scroll down, and here you can easily find the option of app lock. Simply you need to toggle on app lock button. Now, every time you open the Outlook mobile application, you just need to first verify your fingerprint, then only you'll be able to open the Outlook mobile app. Now, let's open the Outlook application to check whether we have locked our Outlook mobile app with fingerprint or not. Now, tap on Unlock button and you have to authenticate to proceed. Enter your fingerprint. So once you have scanned your fingerprint, you have easily access to your Outlook mobile application. So that's how we lock Outlook mobile app with fingerprint. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.